People ask me, what's it like to ride a motorcycle? I'll tell you, for me, riding a motorcycle is like being the main character. You get that feeling of excitement and adventure. Nothing else matters. You feel the road. You can feel the temperatures change. The wind rush past you as you squeeze the throttle. And you control it all. For the first time, you're in control. The only thing you're looking for is freedom. It's that freedom that lurks on the horizon. You can see it in the distance. You chase it. You try to go faster.